G'day Greg, Sky here. Now I just got a notification from KFC that they've got a new 4.95 fill-up box. So I'm going to order it through the app and go through the drive-through and pick up the fill-up box and see what we get inside. Come join me for some KFC. I just put an order through for a 4.95 fill-up box in the name of Greg.
Yep, that's all.
That's all.
Take a stride through the first of that day.
Thank you. And that's how you do it, folks. Got to be nice to these people. They're always very nice. I must say, fast food outlet staff are wonderful. Great, thank you very much. Yum, 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 fill up box. Yum, 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 yum. Now to find somewhere nice and shady so I can sit in my car and tuck on in. All right, well, I brought the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. 437 grams? That's nearly a pound. A pound of what, though? Let's find out. Right. Da, 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 da. Oh, well, that'll come in handy. What is in here? Oh, okay, well, we got some chips, Yamo. I got a bread roll. Yeah, great. Did I get some butter to put on this? No. I did get some mashed potato and gravy though. Maybe I can make a mashed potato and gravy bread roll. And I got a piece of KFC. Oh, yum. Are you jealous yet? I am. And I got a strip of the tender. Is this called a tender? Well, that's what you get. So, 2 bits of chook, some chips, a bread roll, and some potato and gravy. Looks pretty good. Let's start off with some chips. Do they look any good? Yes, they do. Oh, yum. I love that seasoning. Is it the original chicken salt, you reckon? You know, somebody sent me a video on Facebook of their kid copying me. I think he was in South Africa, and this little kid, the father must have videoed it, and he shows him, how do you eat chips like Greg's Kitchen? And the kid goes, It was so cute. I now have people copying how I eat chips. Isn't that amazing? But have a look at this tender or whatever that's called. That looks pretty good, huh? Look at that coating. Oh, mate. Oh, yeah, I love that stuff. Is it real chicken inside, though? We got to find out, folks. Oh, man. Oh, that's so juicy. And that's real chicken, too. Looks a bit rude, that, doesn't it? But that tastes awesome. Oh, mate. I need a whole box of just those things. Yum. Oh. But that's next on the list, folks. Look at that coating. How good does that look? Oh, yum. This is a good KFC, this one. And when you find a good KFC, stick to it. Yum. Oh, yes, brothers and sisters. Man. My taste buds are in heaven. Now, I do have their bread roll. This is about the only thing that I don't like from KFC. I mean, just have a look at it. It's just really soft and doughy, and well, if I had a fishing hook, I could like really just squeeze some up and stick it on my fishing hook and, well, go fishing. Look how doughy it is. I mean, it just converts right back to dough. Ugh. Anyway, now, I did have a spoon here. I need to get this out ASAP because the potato and gravy is waiting. I wonder if it's as good as the Red Rooster one. I wonder. Let's see. Yum diddly yum. The gravy doesn't look as good as Red Rooster's, I don't think. I actually think Red Rooster's potato and gravy is better than KFC. Sorry, KFC. It's still good though. But what I wanted to do was make a little sandwich. So, well, I'll start off with some potato and gravy. Yeah. Put that on. Next, we'll add some chips. As you do. And I shouldn't have eaten that tender. That would have been good on this. But I've got some chicken leg here. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I'm digging it. Actually tastes alright. Yummo. Oh man, those bread rolls are so hard to swallow. It's just like having a mouthful of like raw dough. And you're just chewing. It's like bread chewing gum. Anyway, that was today's fill-up box. What score do I think I should give it out of 10? Well, I did get almost half a kilo of some good old tucker. $4.95, mate, that's cheap as chips. It's probably one of the best meal deals going around. And I did get a whole lots of different nice things. That tender was delicious. The leg was voluptuous. The potato and gravy, well, that was delicious. Those chips, oh boy, they were tasty. And then there's the bread roll. Let's just not talk about that. But, I mean, it was a good size feed. And I'll tell you what, I'm pretty full now. So for an all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, I reckon that deserves a 10 out of 10. What a great lunchtime meal deal. It's so filling, and for under $5, or find me somewhere else that does a deal like that. Will you be whipping into KFC to try this fill-up box? Let me know down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger